Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the section of working with Python, today we are going to see the concept of NumPy array slicing. So it's very important and very interesting concept over here, slicing the arrays. So slicing in Python means taking out elements from a given index to another single index. So let's say if we have an array of 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if we want to extract 2 and 3, then we use slicing of arrays. We pass slice instead of index like this. We have to use start and then colon end. We can also use step like start and end and then step. If we want to take out odd numbers from an array, then we can start using the first element and last element and then step count of 2. So it will slice the odd elements. Then if you want it will slice even, and if you want starting from 1, 3, 5 odd numbers, then we'll use start and then start as 1 and then end it to the last element and then step 2. So we'll fetch out all the odd elements for us. If we don't pass start, it's considered as 0. If we don't pass any element in the start, it's considered from the 0th index, and if we don't pass end, it is considered as the length of the array in that dimension. If we don't pass step, it's considered as step equals to 1. We can keep these fields empty also, so it will use this values as by default. Let's take an example. We have to import a NumPy and we've taken an array and we are slicing it from 1 to 5th element. The result includes the starting index but excludes the end index. So it will be till 1 to 4 elements. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and not 5. So whenever you want like 5 integers, then we take 5 plus 1, 6 index. Let's perform this and see what output do we get. First we import NumPy library. Now we create an array of 7 elements, let's say. Now, like here you can see we have to take the starting index and ending index. We'll just print it. So print array. There will be the starting index, that is from 1. We want 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for ending, 5 plus 1, 6 index, as it doesn't include the last index. And we'll run it to see the area over here. Sorry, you have to pass the index. So index 0 to index 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ending minus 1, so it will print 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can see in the output console window 1 to 5 index we have got. Next is we want to print from index 4 till the end. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4th index till the end. So 5, 6, 7 if we want to print. So how do we print that? So here if we want to print the last 4 indexes, so from 4 if we want to print this, let's say, so 0th index, 1st index, 2nd index and 3rd index. So here we'll do 3 until last we want, so we'll keep this blank. If we run, we get from 4, 5, 6 and 7. If you want to slice element from beginning to index number 4, which is not to be included, so let's say 0th index, 1st index, 2nd index, 3rd index and 4th index should not be included, but till here we want the slicing. So first 4 elements we want. So what do we do is, here we want the first 4 elements, so 1, 2, 3, 4 should be printed, so we keep the beginning empty, and then 0th index, 1st index, 2nd index, 3rd index we want, and 4th index, from 4th index we don't want, so we print 4. We can see 1, 2, 3 for first 4 indexes. Now negative slicing. We use minus operator to refer to an index from the end that we want to print. Slice from the index 3 from the end to index 1 from the end. We have this array and we want negative indexing. Let's just see the example over here. See, we are using minus operator for negative indexing. Let's check the output. You can see negative indexing minus 1 is this element. It will start from 0 minus 1, that is 6. Minus 3 from the end is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So from 5 it will start. Then it will end at minus 1. So minus 1 index won't be printed. Minus 1 plus 1, so 0th index will be printed. Minus 2 will be printed. So 5, 6 is printed. If you want to include 7, keep it blank. 5, 6, 7. So this was how you use slicing of array using NumPy. Interesting, isn't it? Stay tuned for more such interesting contents and concepts to Technostack. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.